Hello everyone, I am Suchita Tomre, student of Delonic Society, Baramati College of Pharmacy, Berhanpur. Under the guidance of respected Sri Krishna Bhakar sir, I am presenting webinar on preparation and standardization of potassium permanganate by using oxalic acid. Aim of the experiment is to prepare and standardize 0.1 normal KMnO4 solution, that is potassium permanganate, by using 0.1 normal oxalic acid as a primary standard. To perform an experiment, we required some apparatus as well as few chemicals. Apparatus required are burette placed vertically to the burette stand, conical flask placed below the burette, volumetric flask, pipette to transfer the measured volume of liquid, beaker, electronic balance to weigh accurately the solution, spatula, glass rod to stir the solution, and hot plate to heat the solution. Chemicals required are potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, oxalic acid H2C2O4, concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4, and distilled water H2O. This experiment is referred from a practical book of pharmaceutical analysis, Dr. Pushpendra Kumar Nirali Prakashan, page number 56-57. Principle of this experiment are as follows. The permanganate ions get reduced to different products depending upon the condition of reaction. Depending upon the condition of reaction, permanganate ions हे different products फॉर्म करतं. जसं इन बेसिक मीडियममध्ये मॅग्नेट आयन्स हे प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होतात, इन न्यूट्रल मीडियममध्ये मॅग्नीज डायऑक्साईड हे प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होतात, इन ॲसिडिक मीडियममध्ये मॅग्नीज आयन हे प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होतात. हे रिॲक्शन आपण नेक्स्ट स्लाइडमध्ये बघू. In basic medium, permanganate plus electron gives manganate ion. In neutral medium, permanganate plus 4 moles of hydrogen plus 3 electron gives manganese dioxide plus 2 moles of water. In acidic medium, permanganate plus 8 moles of hydrogen plus 5 electrons gives manganese ion plus 4 moles of water. The above written equation represents reduction permanganate ion, पण potassium permanganate हे different equivalent weight show करतं in different medium मध्ये. Let's see equivalent weight of KMnO4 in different medium, that is in basic, in neutral, and in acidic. To know the equivalent weight, first we have to know the formula of equivalent weight. And the formula of equivalent weight is molecular weight upon n factor. मग इक्विवॅलंट वेट फाइंड करण्यासाठी आपल्याला मॉलिक्युलर वेट आणि n फॅक्टर ह्याची व्हॅल्यू माहिती पाहिजे. मॉलिक्युलर वेट ऑफ पोटॅशियम परमॅंगनेट फाइंड करण्यासाठी एलिमेंट्स दॅट इज के, पोटॅशियम, मॅंगनीज, ऑक्सिजन यांचे ॲटॉमिक वेटची ॲडिशन करायची. जसं पोटॅशियमचा ॲटॉमिक वेट 39.09 प्लस मॅंगनीजचा ॲटॉमिक वेट 54.93 प्लस ऑक्सिजनचा ॲटॉमिक वेट 16. इथे 4 मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ ऑक्सिजन घेतल्यामुळे इंटू 4 करून ह्यांचं ॲडिशन केल्यावरती 158.02 ग्रॅम पर मोल हे आन्सर भेटतं. देअरफॉर मॉलिक्युलर वेट ऑफ पोटॅशियम परमॅंगनेट इज 158.02 ग्रॅम पर मोल. ग्रॅम पर मोल इज द युनिट. Now according to the formula we have calculated molecular weight of potassium permanganate. Now what about the n factor? n factor हे तिन्ही मीडियममध्ये डिफरंट शो करतं. जसं इन बेसिक मीडियममध्ये n फॅक्टर हे 1 आहे, इन न्यूट्रल मीडियममध्ये n फॅक्टर हे 3 आहे, आणि इन ॲसिडिक मीडियममध्ये n फॅक्टर हा 5 आहे. According to the formula, let's calculate equivalent weight of KMnO4 in 3 medium. That is, in basic medium, equivalent weight of potassium permanganate is molecular weight by 1. That is, 158 by 1 we get 158 gram. Equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in neutral medium, according to the formula, molecular weight by 3. That is, 158 by 3 we get 52.67 gram. Equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in acidic medium by the calculation molecular weight by 5, that is 158 by 5 we get 31.6 gram. Here the unit is gram. Standardization of potassium permanganate solution is based upon the following equation, that is 2 moles of potassium permanganate plus 5 moles of oxalic acid plus 3 moles of concentrated sulfuric acid. When they react together, they form the product, and the product is 3 moles of potassium sulfate plus 2 moles of permanganate plus 8 moles of water plus 10 moles of carbon dioxide. Experimentation. First, we have to prepare 0.1 normal KMnO4 solution. For the preparation, first weigh accurately 0.316 gram of potassium permanganate, which is crystalline structure, purple in color, and it is little bit shiny. Place the beaker containing 100 ml of water onto the hot plate. Add the powder to the 100 ml of distilled water. Boil the prepared solution. After boiling, filter the solution with the help of funnel into the volumetric flask and label it as 0.1 normal KMnO4 solution. Here we have prepared with 0.1 normal KMnO4 solution. Second we have to prepare is 0.1 normal oxalic acid. For the preparation, weigh accurately 0.63 gram of oxalic acid crystals. Transfer the weigh oxalic acid crystal into the beaker. Add little amount of distilled water to the beaker. Dissolve oxalic acid crystals in the water by gentle stirring of the solution with the help of glass rod. Using the funnel and the glass rod, transfer the solution into 100 ml of volumetric flask. Wash the beaker, glass rod, funnel and funnel tip with the distilled water. Add the water to the volumetric flask up to the mark called meniscus. Here we have done with the preparation of 0.1 normal oxalic acid. Standardization of potassium permanganate by using oxalic acid. For the standardization, first rinse the burette with water. Then pour a small volume of potassium permanganate solution into the burette through funnel. Rinse the burette and drain out the solution. Repeat the procedure 2 to 3 times to remove any moisture from the burette. Use the funnel to fill the burette with the KMnO4 solution to just above the 0 mark. Place the beaker below the burette and drain out the solution from the burette and set the initial reading as 0. Place the burette vertically to the burette stand. Take 25 ml pipette out small volume of distilled water. Rinse it and drain it to remove impurities. Again, rinse it and drain it with the oxalic acid solution to remove all the moisture. Now pipette out 25 ml of oxalic acid up to the calibration mark. Close the upper end of the pipette with the index finger. Release the finger slowly so that the solution runs out of the pipette and touches to the lower meniscus so that the volume of solution becomes 25 ml. Slowly transfer the solution into the clean conical flask. Tap tip of the pipette slowly to the bottom of the flask to transfer the remaining solution. Now add 5 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid to the oxalic acid into the conical flask. Place the flask onto the hot plate and heat the solution up to the 70 degrees Celsius as the reaction takes place at a higher temperature. Now place the flask below the burette and add KMnO4 to the flask in a dropwise manner by releasing the cork. Simultaneously shake the flask continuously until the solution changes its color to the light pink. This is called endpoint. Note down the reading. Repeat the procedure 3 times to get accurate mean burette reading. Record the observation into the tabular column. From the observation, we get mean burette reading as 21. From the formula N1V1 equals to N2V2, where N1 equals to normality of KMnO4, N2 equals to normality of oxalic acid, V1 equals to volume of KMnO4, and V2 equals to volume of oxalic acid. We already know the values of N2, that is normality of oxalic acid is 0.1 normal, V1 that is volume of KMnO4 is 21 ml, V2 volume of oxalic acid is 25 ml. According to the formula, we get N1 equals to N2 into V2 by V1. Substitute the known values, that is 0.1 into 25 by 21. We get N equals to 0.1 normal. Report. The amount of KMnO4 which is required to complete the neutralization this reaction is 0.1 normal. Result. The experiment was completed under all prescribed conditions. The normality of given sample found to be 0.1 normal. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a gift and not giving it. Special thanks to all who made and released this awesome resource for free. And thanks to respected Sri Krishna Bhavkar sir for giving me this opportunity. Also, and thanks to all my fellow friends for the cooperation. One of the best thought of APJ Abdul Kalam is winners are not those who never fail but those who never quit. Means there are failures in everyone's life, but the one who never give up is the actual winner. For any query, you can contact on a given number or you can mail your question on a given ID. Thank you.